Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pork hopia step by step. Start by preparing seasoned ground pork with soy, sugar, garlic, and 5-spice, then cool the filling while you make a flaky pastry dough using lard and flour. Roll dough thin, portion 2 tablespoons per bun, wrap tightly, and flatten. Chill 15 minutes, then bake at 350 degrees F for 20 minutes until golden. Serve warm with tea. In this video, I will show how to make pork hopia step by step. Sauté pork with garlic, onion, soy, sugar, and 5-spice until moisture evaporates and flavor concentrates, tasting as you go. Cool the filling completely so it firms up for easy portioning. Portion about 2 tablespoons per bun for even size. Keep filling refrigerated until assembly to preserve texture and prevent dough from becoming oily when wrapped. In this video, I will show how to make pork hopia step by step. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated while you bake with the Owala water bottle. It seals well, fits a cup holder, and keeps water cold through long sessions at the stove. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like so I can make more recipes you enjoy. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make pork hopia step by step. Make a layered dough by combining fat with flour, folding gently and resting to relax the gluten, which creates flakiness. Roll each piece thin, place chilled filling in the center, then fold and seal with care to avoid leaks. Flatten lightly, chill briefly to set shape, and bake at 350 degrees F until golden and fragrant for best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.